Welcome to Ngobo 2010 Shop I channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. For breaking news, please visit our website www.ngobo2010shopi.com. Hey, tada. This is Ngobo 2010 Shop I channel. We are here at Moses Mabhida Stadium, Kaizer Chiefs 2, Orlando Pirates 1. Puti, how's it?
Ngiyaphila bhuti wami, igama lami ngikuphelela Nhlongwane, ngisuka endaweni yaseScottsburg. Sithanda ukuthatha lethu ubake sibongela amakhosi indlela adlale ngayo namhlanje. Asibuyise sesibuyela back to the glory days.
Exactly, yeah.
Into engithanda ukuthi ngiphawule ngayo kakhulu ngesikhathi isizini iqala i-team ibe nokustrugglisha ithe mangabe iwendisela phakathi nendawo yabuyela emgqini ngokusayinisa labadlali nje abambalwa yadako yakomphumela manje okuni Nedbank Cup. Siyacela ukuthi i-team iwine lamagame ama-league awu-2 asele ekwazi izokwazi ukungena e-top 8 njengoba sebeqalile ukuthi benze kalomgqiqo wokuwina indebe ne-MTN ethi siseduze baqhubeke bangahlali phansi ba-relax bajime. Uma kade bejima kabili sicela ukuthi bajime kathathu, made bejima kathathu sicela ukuthi bajime ka4 ngoba manje masusuqala usuwina ama-trophies i-competition eba high ebholeni ave kulula ukudropa but ave kunzima ukukhuphuka ukuya phezulu. Mase sefuna ukukhuphuka ukuya phezulu ufuna ukuthi uzibambe siqine lapha phezulu ngoba i-competition lapha khona ama-tournament a-serious njengoba beyodlala e-Africa. Nje sicela ukuthi basiqinisele i-team ibe strong ikwazi ukuthi i-compete lapha i-team. Asisakholelwa manje ekutheni siyabuilda manje sesiya-renovate manje siyaphambili manje.
Congratulations. Asithemba ukuthi kulo nyaka ozayo ozoqhubeka la ugcine khona. Danke. For your soccer updates and breaking news, please visit www.ngobo2010shopi.com. For your soccer updates and breaking news, please visit www.ngobo2010shopi.com.